Okay, so I'm back. You guys see me earlier this morning. Um, I got a little emotional when Popeye was on the line. He actually worked with us in two different instances. He worked with us first with Nigel at the bakery before he started doing almonds. And then he worked with us in the almond business. So it just brought back a lot of memories, and yeah, I got emotional. So that's how it go. So anyway, I'm gonna wait for a couple people to get on the line. I got somebody's on the line with me. Okay. All right. Yes. Hey, Kim. Hey, Nancy. Hey, Patricia. Hey, ladies. All right. Hey, Kim. Yes, ma'am. Hey, Sabra. So yeah, I was saying earlier before you guys came on, I got a little emotional earlier. We were talking to our friend from Jamaica, and I'm all straightened out now. So gonna make some bath bombs today. We've been getting a lot of people asking for bath bombs with no almond oil in it because they might have a nut allergy, right? So hey, Nancy. So I'm gonna make some today that are almond oil free, so Jamaican almond oil free. They'll also be free of scent and color. So they're just going to be a plain bath bomb that fizzes. So if anybody out there would like that, let me know. Okay, so I'm going to make those with I can't even say anything other than almond oil. I'm going to make these with avocado oil. So make these with avocado oil, no color, no nothing. So I want to wait for a couple more people to get on the line because with this being my personal page, I'm going to get personal today. So I had a lady make a comment, and I just wanted to comment on her comment. And I know I shouldn't let it affect me or anything like that, but it did. You know, it's something, this world we live in. You know, we give people access. We are opening ourselves up to whatever it is that they say. So yeah, she made a comment, and I just want to get clear on it. I responded to her, but yes, I just want to give more of a response. So I'm just being crazy like that. But anyway, I'm going to wait and see if a couple more people get online. Okay. All right. So here's what going on. So anyway, I really hadn't been online for a while because, you know, just going through a lot and just kind of finding my way here in America. And so I had a lady that inboxed me, and she said, "Oh, I never seen you so fluffy." And, you know, my first response was really just like to block her, because I'm very sensitive about my weight. Like, I know I gained weight. You know, anybody that looks at me knows that I gained weight. I mean, when I left Jamaica, I weighed like 145 pounds. Those are really slim. Everyone says I was too slim, but I liked it. But anyway, so I know I've gained weight, you know, but the funniest thing to me is that this lady, she didn't even know me before Jamaica. So it's like, you didn't even know me before. Like, I've been this weight before. Like, my family and everybody, they're almost used to me being this weight rather than the skinny weight. So anyway, I know I gained weight. It's okay. I am a little sensitive about it. But if you have any comments about my weight, keep it to yourself and worry about yourself. So anyway, back to the bath bombs. I just had to get that off my shoulder. It wasn't even all the way on my chest. It was just on my shoulder. So I had to get it off of there. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and make these bath bombs. And before I go, let you guys know that it's free ship Friday. So today we have free shipping on everything. So visit our, oh, thank you, Nancy. I still love you too. I love you too. Thank you, Nancy. It wasn't Nancy that said it. Nancy wouldn't be so mean. She said, the lady said, oh, you're looking fluffy. It must be the American preservatives. I was like, okay. And anyway, I love you too, Nancy. I hope I can see you sometime soon. My God, we haven't seen each other in like years. So I hope I can see you soon. So yeah, so anyway, back to, what was I saying? I'm making bath bombs, right? I'm making no color, no scent. So I'm just using avocado oil so that they'll still be luxurious. And usually I use 2 tablespoons of the Jamaican almond oil, but I'm going to use a little bit more of the avocado oil because it's not as rich. It's not as thick, so it won't bind. It doesn't bind as well as the almond oil. Look at me. I was just getting ready to reach for the color. So no color, right? No color, plain Jane. No almond oil in them. So if you do have nut allergies, even though the Jamaican almonds, they're different than the American almonds. So we're not really sure if people really have those same allergies with the Jamaican almonds, but we never want to take a chance. Say it again, Nigel.
People who are allergic to tree nuts will be.
Oh, people that are allergic to tree nuts will be. Okay, I see. But, like, how else do nuts grow? How else do nuts grow other than in a tree?
You have nuts that grows on a tree, and then you have nuts that grow on the ground like peanuts.
Oh, that's right. Peanuts grow on the ground, huh? Oh, yeah. All right, so we learned something new today. Well, at least I did. So these are for people who may be allergic to those tree nuts or any kind of nuts. So these are going to be made with avocado oil. So if you're in the Orange County area, check us out at the OC Vegan Village on Saturday, and then at KW Vegan Works. What is it called? OC Vegan Village and KW Vegan Fair. I had to look on my board. KW Vegan Fair, all this vegan stuff just get me all confused. But yeah, we're going to be there Saturday and Sunday. So we're really looking forward to it. So come on out. And if you're not in the area and you want to order, we'll put a little something extra in there for you. I'm making lip balms now and just kind of getting into my groove. It's very relaxing for me. So visit our website or send me an instant message if you're looking for something special, and we'll go from there. Okay. All right. Well, we'll see you later. Nigel, you want to say goodbye?
All right, guys. Good having you. Thank you for joining us.
Oh, you're actually going to come over. Yeah, man. Thank you.
All right. Sorry for the angle. Yeah, man. Good to see you guys. All right. Enough respect, love, and harmony.
All right. Bye-bye, guys.